Welcome to our presentation on the Virtual Health Worker Smartphone Application. The VHW smartphone application is an affordable medical technology that trains village health workers to provide efficient and proven health education tools for their communities in a profit-sharing model that incentivizes the VHWs themselves. First, we start with a quick background on who the village health workers are. VHWs are individuals who have been identified as leaders in their respective communities and then trained as volunteer health workers. VHWs have been crucial in reducing rates of malaria, diarrhea, maternal and newborn mortality, as well as malnutrition in communities across all of Uganda. VHWs have done this in large part due to health education tools innovated by the VHWs themselves. These include puppets, songs, dramas, and other methods of making sure vital health education information can reach every man, woman, and child, regardless of literacy ability. Although VHWs have been crucial in the improvement of various health outcomes across Uganda, there exists a current problem. VHWs are lacking an adequate communication, training, and reward system. This is a pressing public health issue, as there's currently 175,000 VHWs who are the frontline, first level of health service for communities across the country. Not connecting these VHWs into a network leaves them unable to learn from each other's past challenges and successes. This means if an innovation is created in one community, it often can't leave that community. This is stopping the program from reaching its full potential for improving health services across Uganda. We propose the VHW smartphone application. The VHW app is a technological innovation that will simultaneously provide a reward system, updated training modules, and a platform for communication between different VHTs, allowing innovations to move past the village they were created. First, VHWs will register with the application. During this process, they will enter their mobile money account information. This will allow us to later provide a small reward to VHWs who complete at least 2 training modules per year. This reward is something the VHWs have overwhelmingly asked for since the initiation of the program. Next, VHWs will select from different e-training health courses. After selecting an e-training course, VHWs will be brought to a 2-part training module. The first module will focus on training materials. This will be updated health education materials for VHWs to relay to their community. The second part of the training module will be health delivery methods. These will utilize proven VHW innovations, such as puppets to teach malnutrition or dramas to teach the importance of family planning. The final part on this training portion is a method to connect the VHWs with links to various social medias specifically for VHWs. Please find our overall business canvas on this slide and move to the next slide for a breakdown of our different revenue streams. This slide illustrates the 3 anticipated streams of revenue for the smartphone application. The revenue for this project will go towards 1. A small financial incentive for the VHWs, and 2. The operating costs for the smartphone application. The first stream of revenue is the Google AdMob advertising platform. Google AdMob is a service provided for Android app designers. Because Android is a widely used platform in Uganda and has relatively cheap upstarting costs to upload our app to its Google Play Store, we've chosen to target Google AdMob as our first stream of revenue. Google AdMob sells space on our smartphone application to third parties. This advertising space is sold for money depending on how much traffic we drive to our smartphone application. Our second stream of revenue will come from partnerships. Currently, there are over 300 different organizations supporting VHWs in Uganda. We're targeting these organizations and offering them the value proposition of utilizing our app. Specifically, we're offering a premium version of the app sold at 100,000 Ugandan shillings per year. The premium version will include 1. A direct communication method to their VHWs, 2. The ability to upload their own training material immediately to the app, 3. Motivate their VHWs with the added smartphone application, and 4. Come with an orientation package where we personally go out and identify internet and connectivity locations within their zone, as well as different ways to smoothly integrate the VHW into the current villages that they're working with. Finally, our third stream of revenue is sponsorship. This will be advertised out to different groups locally and internationally to advertise space on our app. Finally, the management team for the VHW app will be comprised of a multidisciplinary team. The team includes business experts, IT specialists, advertising and graphic designers, as well as experienced community health experts and field researchers in order to make sure integration is as smooth as possible. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we appreciate your interest in the VHW app.